Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TMV Academy. Let's start with today's episode. ISO 22003 is a standard that helps certification bodies decide how to apply ISO 22000 during food safety audits. It divides the food industry into categories based on the type of work done. Today we will focus on category F, which is all about the processing of perishable plant-based foods. This includes places that handle fresh fruits, vegetables, salads, mushrooms, sprouts, and other plant products that spoil quickly. These products may seem safe, but they can carry serious risk if not handled properly. So category F is very important for food safety. Now we will discuss what kind of work falls under category F. Category F includes companies that cut and pack fresh vegetables and fruits, make pre-packed salads or vegetable mixes, produce fresh juices or smoothies, wash and package leafy greens, clean and store mushroom or sprouts, prepare fruit or veggie snack packs. These foods are often eaten raw or stored for a short time, which means they need to be handled very carefully to avoid contamination. Now, why category F is considered risky? Even though plant-based foods don't contain meat, they can still carry harmful bacteria. These germs can come from dirty water, soil, hands, or unclean surfaces. Since many fruits and vegetables are eaten without cooking, there is no heat step to kill germs. That is why cleanliness, washing, and cold storage are very important in this category. Now we will discuss the types of companies in category F. Some examples of category F companies include a factory that washes, cuts, and packs salad leaves, a company that makes fresh fruit cups, a juice company that cold presses fresh fruits, a supplier that prepares ready-to-cook veggie kits. These businesses must prove they have strong food safety systems in place and are following ISO 22000 rules designed for perishable plant food. ISO 22000 requirements for category F companies. To get ISO 22000 certification under category F, companies must identify all possible food safety hazards, set up a HACCP plan with proper control points, keep raw materials and cleaned produce separate, control temperature in storage and transport, wash produce using clean water, train workers in hygiene and food handling, record all safety checks, cleaning and handling steps. For example, a salad packaging unit must check if the washing water is clean and cold and whether workers are wearing gloves and clean clothes. Now let's discuss what do auditors check in category F. Auditors visit the facility and check how the food is stored and washed, whether the temperatures are kept low, if the cleaning schedule is being followed, how workers maintain hygiene, if areas are clean and free of pests, whether documents like checklists and records are updated or not. They also ask questions to staff and look at how well the team knows the food safety rules. Now, who can audit category F? Only experienced food safety auditors can check category F companies. These auditors must know about plant-based food spoilage, understand microbial risk in raw vegetables, know how to check cleaning and water quality, understand post-harvest handling and cold storage. Since these foods are delicate and high risk, only trained auditors are allowed for such certifications. So if your business works with fresh produce, salads or juices, then category F certification is essential. It helps keep your food safe, builds trust with customers and protects public health. Whether you are a food business owner, a student or an auditor, knowing how category F works will help you stay ahead in the world of food safety. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on ISO 22003 categories.